For this little book rest, I'm going to be using some scraps, but you just need a 1x6 board. You need one 6-inch long piece and a 12-inch long piece, with one end of the 12-inch piece cut to a peak using a 45-degree angle. You also need one 5¼ inch piece and another 6-inch piece for the little roof. Assembly is pretty straightforward, just using glue and brad nails. However, I went back later and added some screws to the base just to have some extra strength. Once it was assembled, I applied a coat of stain. And there you go, a book rest you can make in under 30 minutes. Well, minus the dry time of the finish, of course. Thanks for watching.